Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. Today I have some stamping to do. So I'm going to be flipping my bar from Flatwareable. And I figured I would take you along. I just pulled this out just because. Alright, so comes with the wrench. I normally use that one to get these centers loose. Okay, I'll pull those out a little bit. I was trying to use this on these guys here on the outside, but it doesn't seem to really grab a whole lot. So I use one of these 3/8 bits. It goes into my screwdriver, and then I put it on a 1/2-inch socket. Now I can hook it up to my drill. Now there is a metal plate in here, right underneath these guys. Make sure you're keeping pressure here. So here's our bar. Okay, so this guy is going to go back into here. And I'm just flipping this over. So before we had our bar down here, I'll flip this over. I'm actually going to put my block down, and I'm going to put a stamp in it. So here's how I do this. I have it in here, but I don't have it touching the teeth. So it's not touching the teeth. So where I want my handle to be is right about here at full stop. So if you're using the stamping block that comes with it, take, and you're going to do the same thing. This is down. I want it to stop right there. So that's where I want it. I'm going to take this guy with this center plate still back in here, and I'm going to bring it up. Hold on to it here with your thumb. These should go in easily, so if it's not going in easy, you have it cross-threaded. I'm going until they're just snug. So now we have to fix this again. So we're going to twist these in until they stop. Lock that screw down, or bolt down, nut down. ready to stamp. I like using my block, but that's as easy as it gets for switching that over. I have a little video of my modification of this stamp block. I should have that posted soon. It will void your warranty, I'm certain of that, but I wanted to be able to do this and be lazy. So now we've got our piece, now we can just start stamping. Just took a couple minutes. Hope you guys all keep making and have a great day. If you're new to our channel, please hit subscribe. Also, click the bell and select all so you get all of our updated videos as soon as they come out.